Welcome to this tutorial video. Today, we will look into the Sort by Color feature in Google Sheets. Here's a sheet I have prepared and color-coded first. Feel free to download it from the description below and color-code it how you would like. This step is important, as sorting can only be done once the cells or the text is colored. Let's begin sorting. Click on any cell inside this table. Note that clicking a cell outside of the table will apply a filter to that cell alone. The cell selected must be one within our data range. Click the Create a Filter button in the toolbar. The sheet now has filters for each column. For this tutorial, we are sorting department-wise. Click the filter icon for the respective column. From this drop-down, hover over Sort by Color. Here we have a new drop-down menu with both possible options: to sort by fill color or the text color. Let's try to sort the names of the employees working as accountants. They are coded with a yellow fill. When we hover over the Fill Color menu, Google Sheets will display all the available color codes for this sheet. I'm selecting yellow since that's what I have coded the accounting department with. There we go. The columns are now sorted, so the accounting department's employees are shuffled up to the top. It is as simple as that and works similarly for text colors. As we can see, many times cells need to be sorted so that all color codes are sticking together. To do that, simply stack them up by selecting them one by one, as I am doing now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful Google Sheets tips. Thanks for watching.